fine. My name is Asis Mahazan and I am from the Oxford Consulting Group, which is known for the complete HR solution. First of all, I would like to begin this with the company's introduction. We are a complete HR solution company based on the UK, having 5 years of experience in the field of HRM. Our team consists of the different experts in the field of HRM areas such as strategy development and implementation, performance management, training, team development, recruitment and selection. We have a prime objective, that is customer satisfaction, because we believe that your satisfaction is our success. We specialize in strategy development and implementation, performance management, team development and training, and so on. We have worked with many clients around the world in service industries such as Starbucks, which is known for the best coffee in the world. It is one of the largest coffee chains in the world. Starbucks is one of our prime clients. Now moving on, I'd like to introduce my team members who are experts in different fields. We have Mr. Baski Gordon as an expert in policy audit. Similarly, we have Ms. Safalta Shrestha as an expert in strategy development and implementation. Likewise, we have Mr. Nitesh Laljan, and he's an expert in recruitment and selection. Mr. Sanket Kharel, he has got a lot of experience in developing payroll and reward system. Last but not the least, I, Asis Mahazan, have an experience in training and team development. Now moving on to another slide, without any further ado, I'd like to discuss the issues that your company is facing. For that, I have prepared some cause and effects table. Due to the competitors copied their Cafe Espresso's business model, it has led to a huge loss in market share, and it is not a good thing. Similarly, due to the service provided, lack of variety of coffee offered, and lack of coffee drinking experience has led your company's loyal customers to switch to your competitors. And we have, due to the low pay, high percentage of employees on short-term conflicts has resulted in high level of staff turnover and low morale among remaining staffs. Now, as our company have had a discussion with your company, according to your company, your requirements are improvement with unique experience in the customer services, encouragement of talent among its employees and retain them. Similarly, increment in the competitive advantage and development of effective human resource system. Now moving on.
Now we'll talk about the research findings that our company did. While going through several surveys and studies, we found out that there was a adverse or positive link between performance of the firm and higher performance work system. So we surveyed a lot of studies, and the most major study we found out that was of Evans and Davis, and they state that while firms who adapt high performance work systems lead to a better financial performance and sustainable performance if when they use effectively their knowledgeable resources. Furthermore, other studies like the study done by Bay and Lawyer in 138 firms in Korea stated that the firms who used or adapted high performance work system have resulted in higher performance. Amongst those studies, the other studies done by Wei, in this study, he sampled around 446 US firms, in which he found out amongst which the firms who adopted higher performance work system resulted in lower workforce turnover. Okay, this figure was extracted from the study of Evans and Davis, which basically explains high performance work system, that is staffing, self-managed team, decentralization training, have a direct impact on organizational performance, such as financial efficiency and flexibility. And this another figure was extracted from the study of Bay and Lawyer, which basically states that HRM values efficiency and speed, which is a part of high empowerment HRM strategies, which is also known as high performance work system, have a direct impact on organizational performance. Okay, now moving on.
We find that the strategy of high performance work system like resource based view increases competitive advantage of our firm. And the study done by Bay, Bania Mohana of North American customer service process show that the resource based view provide high level advantage of competitors in an organizational process. Furthermore, Richard perform an examination using resource-based view framework on banking industries and conclude that the resource-based view encourages diversity and contribute in firm competitiveness. We also found that using performance management system increases employee performance, leading organizational performance. A study conducted by Armstrong and Barron found that 62% of the survey line manager believed performance management to be useful. Moreover, Campbell and California research shows that firm using performance management system were more likely to outperform their competitors. Moving on.
We carried out a research of human resource management system in Starbucks and figured out that they follow human performance work system and have an effective performance management system. Starbucks being one of the largest coffee chain in the world, they believe that they are successful because of their employees and also considers their employees as its partners. They also provide financial and non-financial bonuses for their employees based on their performance. For example, for working 20 hours a week, it gives bonuses, health coverage of its staff, and paid time off as well. Starbucks also believes in diversity and inclusion of the employee in their workforce in ethnic backgrounds and relations without any kind of hesitations. They train their staffs, which increases the efficiency, productivity, and flexibility of both, staffs and benefiting the both parties, and also helps in the management of employee work-life balance, which motivates the workers to work even harder for them.
From our research findings, we have two major recommendations for you, followed by some further recommendations. The most important recommendation that we have for you is the use of high performance work system as your human resource management strategy. And while doing that, we specifically recommend you to implement resource-based view. We can see that resource-based view uses both tangible and intangible resources, which then is converted into viral resources, which means that the resources add value, they are rare, they are inimitable and organized, which further leads to competitive advantage. Our second important recommendation is implementation of performance management system. By implementing the system, you will be able to manage, increase the individual performance of your employees and further increase your own performance. This figure shows the model of performance management system, which shows that the system falls under the organization's visions and organization's performance culture. The system starts by planning, which is followed by performing, and then the performance is evaluated. After the evaluation, the employee's performance is rewarded according to this evaluation, and then we again come back to planning, and hence this is the cycle of performance management system. These are the further recommendations that we have for you, which is proper human resource planning must be done using people resourcing process. By doing this, you will be able to manage the skill level and diversity in your employees. Further, you need to conduct staff attitude survey and exit interviews so that you could find out what is the reason behind the high staff turnover that you have in your firm currently. Along with that, you need to invest in human resource information system. By doing this, you will have a database of what is the composition of your human resource, and be able to monitor the turnover rate in your company. Further, you need to the payroll must be conducted by using skill, knowledge, and competency based. By following this, you will be able to address the current issues of low pay and also retain the skilled employees in your company. Along with doing this, you need to provide financial and non-financial rewards by implementing total reward system. This way, you will be able to retain the valuable employees that you have. Further, you need to conduct systematic training process. By doing this, you will be training staffs of all levels and increase their skill levels. And lastly, employee relations must be given importance. By doing this, the employees will feel more welcomed in your company, and they will feel that they belong in your company, hence making them work harder and feel that they belong in your company, and they'll be more committed towards your company. As we all know, the modern world is becoming more environment conscious, so Cafe Espresso must adopt environment-focused CSR policies. While doing that, we suggest you to conduct building greener stores, recycling, reducing waste, being more energy conservative, use of renewable energy, and water conservation. This would be the end of our recommendations. We will be providing you with services that will address the issues that you're currently facing and will help you implement the recommendations that we've made. Firstly, we will conduct internal reviews and audit about your current systems and policies, and will also aid in strategy development and how you will be able to implement those strategies. Further, we will provide support and training for recruitment and selection process. Then development, we will be helping you to develop appropriate payroll and reward systems. We'll also help to train your staffs for effective customer service and train your managers to develop HR and leadership skills, and also assist in your team development. We have estimated the total cost of the services that we will be providing you to be about £10,600, which is excluding the training for your staffs and managers. By doing so, we are giving you the flexibility to decrease or increase your cost accordingly, and adjust how many number of staffs you want to train, and this will be altering your cost accordingly. Further, we have estimated the time frame for the service to be 1 year, along with additional 6 months of assistance which will be complementary. Now, I would like to end my presentation by saying that Oxford Consulting Group is your best option because we have all the solutions to your problems at the best rate. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.